Hello beautiful friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for stopping by, and if you're new here, you're welcome. Today I'm going to make a complicated yet an easy dish. People call it spaghetti bongolese. Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce the name, but that is the name that is out there. But once you meet someone and they're like, what did you eat for lunch or what did you eat for dinner, they will tell you, I ate spaghetti and mixed meat. They don't know spaghetti bolognese until you get to the restaurant and they give you a menu and you're like, what is spaghetti bolognese? So guys, I'm going to be making today spaghetti bolognese. I've never made this dish before, and I hope guys it's gonna be an easy process that someone can follow and make it at home without going to the supermarket to buy a lot of expensive things to come and make it. I used like almost everything that I had in my house. I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly consider to subscribe, like, comment down below, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add oil. Remember, you need to use the oil that you like. For me, I use sunflower oil. You can use olive oil, avocado oil, any. I'm gonna let the oil to heat up my onions. I'll just let the onions cook a little bit, just a little bit, just to remove the bitterness. And then I'll go to the next step. To add my meat, your preferred meat, guys, your preferred meat. And then, so we need to let the meat simmer and cook with all its own water and salt, so that every part of the meat has taste. Sometimes you make something and the food, some parts of it is not tasty. That's why I like when I boil or cook meat, I always cook with garlic and water. And you need to make sure that the minced meat is into smaller pieces. Okay guys, this is how it's looking like. All the onions are brown and all the garlic is well cooked. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to add my tomato paste. I blended this one. All my spices. First I start with chili flakes. I will put like a tablespoon. Guys, I don't know kids here, so tablespoon of each. And then red onion powder. Okay, and then this stir. So nice, the aroma here, so nice. And then I will add parsley leaves, just a little guys. And then the last one that I'm gonna add is rosemary. Okay, so stir. Guys, remember to keep stirring so that your food cannot stick on the pot. My spaghetti bolognese sauce, and I will add all of it, guys. Look at how it's looking, so beautiful, right? Yeah. And then I will let it cook a little bit again. So beautiful, right? Guys, the next step is up to you. For me, I'm gonna use this wine. It's up to you. Cup of wine, and then I pour inside, and then I will start to let it cook, to let the alcohol evaporate. Someone is gonna ask, can my kids eat it? Yes, because the alcohol will evaporate all of it. You just need to cook and make sure it's all evaporated. It has been like 45 minutes, guys. You see all this alcohol, has evaporated, and it's smelling now really nice, not like alcohol. So what I'm gonna do to dilute, I will add milk, just a little as you stir, a little as you stir. Has no bad blood. That's enough. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let my milk cook a little. Guys, this is how my stew is looking like, guys. This is how it's looking like. Very beautiful. It smells really nice, guys. Now let us play nicely. A little more. One more. Nice. Guys, look at that. Look at how my food looks like. Let's go to the moment of truth. So you have to eat like this. I told you guys it's just spaghetti and mincemeat, but the name is Bolognese. Like this. Guys, I've never had such a thing. So good, so tasty, and everything is into perfection this part. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, consider to give it a thumbs up, consider to subscribe, like, and comment. Guys, until next time, guys, I'm gonna enjoy my food now. Until next time, guys, bye bye.